Hey guys, my name is Kian Graham, CEO of MonetizeMore, and today I'm going to be talking about the latest controversial ad tech story about Gannett. So Gannett is a media company that owns websites like USA Today and a lot of smaller newspaper websites. And they make a large portion of their revenue from display ads. So what happened was there was an investigation on Gannett, and what they uncovered was within their header bid auction on their smaller local newspaper sites, they were actually declaring that their ad placements were showing on usatoday.com when they were actually showing on these smaller local newspaper sites like Detroit Free Press. Now the issue here is advertisers will pay more to be on USA Today because it has a bigger brand, they have more users, so they're willing to pay more. So on the surface, this looks like a classic bait and switch story. However, USA Today has responded, and what they actually said was this happened in error. They actually uncovered this error where they use the same account ID across all their websites rather than just USA Today. They uncovered this error, allegedly fixed it before the actual investigation. However, because of server caching, this old version was still showing on some of the page views. And they actually had their quality assurance look it over, and they actually didn't catch this. So it continued to happen. Then the investigation happened and they found the issue, that was blown up to the rest of the media. While these string of errors are plausible, the biggest surprise here, how this got past advertisers and trusted ad quality vendors. So first off, the advertisers too reliant on ads.txt account IDs. They should have been also buying referral domains, both the account IDs and the referral domains. The biggest surprise is how this got past the filters of the ad quality tools like Double Verify, IAS, Moat. This is like a core functionality of their tools. This is why publishers, this is why advertisers, they trust them so that they actually make sure that the ad placements go where they say they're going to go and that they're in high quality spots where there isn't any brand issues. And for some reason, this actually got out of their filters. They didn't catch this. They took an investigation to actually uncover these issues. To be clear, this was not domain or ads.txt spoofing. This was ORTB packet listed as a cache domain property. If USA Today was a MonetizeMore publisher, this would not have happened. Our tech catches domain discrepancies and makes sure that advertisers get exactly what they buy. So, what does this mean for ad monetized publishers? Well, first off, advertisers are going to be more careful and skeptical on how they buy. Publishers should be more vigilant about setting up their ads.txt files correctly and accurately. If your ads.txt file is inaccurate, then you're going to lose advertisers and revenues. Make sure to do this. If you don't know how to set up your ads.txt file accurately, or you're not sure if it is accurate and you want to check, then you can reach out to our team. We can help you out. Click on the link in the description to reach out to us if you need help with this and you don't want to lose future revenues, because advertisers are going to be more careful stemming from this story.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.